Hello everyone, welcome back to the videos. In this video, let us explore on how to create an assignment and how to create a quiz in the Edmodo platform. To create an assignment, in the top right corner, we can see this plus symbol. So click on plus and give create assignment. So let the page get loaded. Once we give create assignment, I can give an assignment title, for example, assignment 1. And instructions, we can say any deadlines or any general instructions that we want to give to our class students. So submit your assignments in A4 sheets. So this is the instruction I want to give. If you want to attach any file, like if we have the questions as already a document, you can attach the file and also submit that as your assignment. Fine. So for example, let me give assign. You have an option for due date. For example, I want my students to submit this assignment before June 2nd. So let me choose June 2nd and I give 4 o'clock as the deadline. So I'll choose 4 p.m. and I'm going to lock the assignments after the deadline. So I've given an assignment to the students which has to be submitted before June 2nd and the time is 4 p.m. and I'm going to consider this for my internal marks. So I'm going to enable this option which is add to gradebook. If you want to assign it immediately to the class, you can click on assign, or if you want the assignment to be open on a later date, you can click schedule for later. So when you want this assignment to be open, for example, I want this assignment to be open only on June 1st at morning 9 a.m. So I have scheduled the assignment such that it opens on June 1st morning 9 a.m. and it will be logged at June 2nd evening 4 p.m. So once after scheduling, let's click on assign. Yes, and this assignment will be successfully posted in our class. So after posting, like in June 1st, the assignment will be displayed in this particular pane for the students. So the students can keep track of what work is pending for them using this what's due panel. So this is how we create an assignment in Edmodo. Hope you was clear in how to create an assignment. Now let us see how to create a quiz using the Edmodo platform. For creating a quiz, once again click on this plus symbol and press create quiz. So this is the window that opens after we create a quiz. So let us give some quiz title. Let it be quiz 1 and type the instructions as answer all the questions. So once we set up the basic details of the quiz, let's start typing the quiz questions. So I click on this field. So there are totally 6 different type of questions that can be created using the Edmodo platform. Let us try any few of these options. For example, let me choose a multi-choice type question, which is the virus that is declared a pandemic in current situation. Let me add few answers. Let it be SARS. Let me type COVID. Let me type, for example, flu, right? And the grading, I'm going to give 1 mark for this, and let us choose which to be the correct answer. So this is the first question that we have created of multiple choice type. We have typed the question here and we have given a total of 3 questions, and out of the 3, whichever is the correct answer, choose the correct answer at the right. Now let us add one more question. So I click on add question. Now let us come to the second one. We will try a true or false question. Has the COVID-19 been declared a pandemic by the WHO. So we have two options. Whichever is the correct option, you choose the correct option and give the required number of points. Let us add one more question. So we will try to add questions of fill in the blanks. Let me type Edmodo is one of the dash. Let us have a dash here. And I need to type the answer here. For fill in the blank questions, if we create a dash here, we have to enter the answer key in the empty box that is provided by Edmodo. So I type it as LMS. And let me allot 1 point for it. Let us try adding other question from question bank. The feature of add from question bank is if in case we have already created a quiz in any of the classes in our Edmodo account, we can import the questions from one class to another class. So let me try this option. I click add from question bank. If you see, there are various questions here. These questions were given as a quiz to my students of another class. So if I want to import this question into my current Edmodo classroom, I click on add to quiz. And if you see here, the particular question has been added. So this was match the following type question. The students have to match the correct column with the correct column on the right. So this is how we add a question from the question bank. So it is possible to import a question from one classroom to another classroom within the Edmodo platform, right? So we have allotted 3 points for this. So we have completed assigning quiz for the students. You can try out all the available type of questions in the Edmodo platform like multiple answers, match the following, short answers, etc. Now after creating the quiz, let us preview the quiz before assigning it to our students. So whether it is an Edmodo platform or whatever platform you use, always preview the work that you have done before assigning the work to the students. So I click on preview. So if you see here, this is the first question. In Edmodo, for every page, we get one question displayed. So let me type the answers. So let me drop the text. So for open circuit, I just do it randomly. I want to drop 0 here. Let me do this just like that and 1 here and let me give next. Edmodo is one of the LMS. So we completed the test. This is how it will appear for our students. Fine. So if all the 4 questions answered, if you click on the drop down, we can see which questions have been answered. Now we can exit the preview. Right? And we have options to print the questions, make a copy of the questions or delete the quiz if it is not required. I'm not going to do any of these. I'm going to assign my quiz directly to my students. So let me click on assign. So once again, if you see, we have the class name to which the quiz has to be assigned. We will select the due date for the quiz. So let it be June 1st and morning 10 a.m. Log after due date. And the quiz, I'll set it only for 10 minutes. 60 minutes is too much for this. So I've set it for 10 minutes. And let us randomize the questions. And I click on add to gradebook because let me consider this for my internals. And once I complete, whether the students should be able to see the marks or not. So I've set this as enable, let the students see the marks after completion. And I'm assigning the quiz to the students. So let this get loaded. So after clicking on assign, yes, so we will get a window after the quiz has been successfully assigned. So now it is available for the students to take in the class because I've assigned it immediately. We did not schedule it for a later date, and it will be logged by June 1st. It is month, date and year. So it is June 1st, 10 a.m. and yes, fine. So if you see in the pane, we can see that there is one quiz that is due to the student. Since there are no students in my class right now, it is coming as 0. And if you, after adding students, you can actually see to how many students it has been assigned, how many are still to view the quiz, and how many have submitted your quiz. So this is how we post assignments and quizzes in Edmodo. In the next video, let us explore the settings of a teacher in the Edmodo platform. Thank you.